Hi there, I'm Mike Tomaloff. I'm the class instructor here at the Willy Street Co-op. I'm here today to bring some science into the kitchen. We're going to make a cheese sauce. The same cheese sauce we put on the mac and cheese here at the co-op. And instead of using flour and butter the old-fashioned way, we're going to use a little science and bring some sodium citrate made with citric acid and baking soda, which will dissolve. I'm going to start with baking soda and citric acid. As you can see, foaming away. You want to get this to about 180-ish degrees. All right, I'm going to put in just a little bit more than 1.5 cups of milk. So I like to mix it up and use cheddar and mozzarella. So you can see it's starting to melt. So it's going to seem a little thin at first because it's so hot. But as it sits for a while, it'll start to thicken up. You can see, look at that. It's all the runny, creamy goodness of like your Velveeta pump top cheese without being Velveeta pump top cheese. When you attend one of my classes, I hope you walk out of here with a sense of adventure about cooking. Food's what brings us together. So I'd like to have you join me and some other people and join us at the co-op.